What's up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video, and thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I have the Temdan iPhone X waterproof case. Supposedly it's IP68 waterproof, full body protection, shockproof, snowproof, and dirtproof. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little underwater test with this one and see if it really is waterproof and see how good it is. So without further ado, I'll just open it up, see what you get in the box. A little baggie in here. Comes with a little lanyard thing, so you can put it around your wrist or hang it somewhere. Comes with a little wipey. That's nice enough, so you can get some wipe action on there. Okay, cool. So it has directions for you to put it on. You guys can go ahead and check that out if you want. This guy, okay, this guy is here. So it's got that area for your camera, some Temdan branding on the bottom. So let's just go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'll just drop this puppy in here. There's your iPhone X. Here, your $1,000 iPhone X. Hopefully it'll be okay in this guy. So actually a pretty decent feeling hand right here. It gives it a lot more width than you're normally used to, because it's got, you know, these side bumpers over here. A lot thicker, quite a bit heavier, but you should have known what you were getting into getting a waterproof case like this. So let's go ahead and try to activate the buttons. Power button, they provide like a little knobby thing so you can mute yourself or not. All right, that works. That's good, I like that. Touch sensitivity, volume. Actually, the buttons, they activate really well. They activate really well. The buttons are good, nice, and pretty premium feeling. Feels premium, feels good. So here are your like little cutouts for your camera. So on the bottom here, you have your speaker, microphone. There's like a little USB guy, so you can open it up, close it up, make sure it's sealed in there watertight. So actually this feels pretty legit. I'm not gonna lie, it feels pretty legit. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this piece of toilet paper in there and see, and we're gonna throw it into some water. I don't know if I'll do the 30-minute thing. I'll probably leave it in there for 5 minutes. Finally have the case right here, and we're just gonna drop it in the water for 5 minutes, and you can see that I have like this little piece of toilet paper, and we'll really test this out and see if this guy can handle being submerged for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so now for the moment of truth. Okay, so we're just opening up the case, and voila, the toilet paper is super dry. Phone is super dry. So this is definitely a go. This is definitely a go, guys. I'm gonna say, if you wanna have that reassurance of water protection, definitely check this out. This is the Temdan iPhone X waterproof case, and it's on Amazon Prime for $22.88. So I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below so you can check it out. And yeah, that's it for me. This is Reggie, and thanks for checking out the video. Hope you like it. Feel free to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.